Yeah, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I want to solve this question on sequence that says the first two terms of an AP are shown. So we are given P and 5P. That's the first two terms. We now know the sum of the first three terms is 90. So we have to work out the value of P. We are just given P and 5P. So in this question, from what we know, our first term, which is also can also be called A, is P. And so then second term is 5P. But now what we are actually doing, what we are given in the second statement is that the sum of the first three terms. So that means we are going to be dealing with sum of sequence. So we are dealing with the sum of the third term, and the formula for sum of arithmetic progression, especially when the last term is not known, is n over 2 bracket open 2a plus bracket open n minus 1 d, then close the bracket. Now n stands for the number of terms, and we are taught the three terms. So our n is 3, our a, according to what we are given, so A is P, and so we find the value. Then our D, which is the common difference, that's first term minus second term. Our first term is 3, second term is 5P, so we have 5P minus P, and that will give us 4P. So that's the common difference. Now let's put everything here. So we are told the sum of the first three terms is 90. So our S3 will be, we have 90 equals n is 3, so we have 3 over 2 bracket open. Now A here we see is P, so we have 2P, that's 2P plus our n is 3, so we have 3 minus 1, the common difference is 4P. So close the bracket. So if we cross multiply so that we can remove 2, we multiply both sides by 2. So we have 90 times 2 equals 3. So we open the bracket here. We have 2P. So if we use 4P to multiply this, we have this will give us plus 3 times 4P will give us 12P. Then minus 1 times 4P will give us minus 4P. So here we have 180 equals, let's simplify what's inside the bracket first. We have 3 into brackets, so we have 2P plus 12P, that will give us 14P. If we subtract 4P from this, so we have 10P. So if we open the bracket, so we have 180 equals 30P. So divide both sides by 30. So we have 180 over 30 equals P. So 0 cancel 0, 3 here, 18, 6, which means our P equals 6. So we have the value of our P to be 6. Thank you.